And so what does it cause from?
I had a fall and had the cerebellum at the base of my head.
Where's the pain in your body from that?
From there right down.
And so how long have you suffered for?
April.
It's affected your brain?
Yeah, half of the cerebellum.
Wow. And at 1 to 10, how bad's the pain in your body?
Well, it was 10, and all the put me on all the drugs.
And how much is it now?
That's about 9.
So all the drugs brings it from 10 to 9. Mate, I'd stop taking those drugs. But church, can we reach out to her? Just move forward here. Can we do a favour? I love seeing that a lady, 43 years, get delivered like that.
Come on,
and I love seeing their faces. Let's just pray for her right now, church. Now, when I pray for you, just relax. Think about shoes or chocolate. Marshmallow, I don't care. Can we pray for the church? The pains, where is it? Nerve pain
Everywhere.
is where?
It starts from under my breasts and then goes right down to my toes.
Let's pray, church. In the name of Jesus, deliver this woman right now. Set her free, free, free. A miracle in this body. A miracle in this body. Oh. Free, and you put up, 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 put up. Free, free, free. Now, up, up, up. How's that feel? Excuse me, how's it feeling?
Yeah, it's shaky, but I couldn't do that before.
Wow.
Let's keep praying, church. Something's happening here. Oh, life, life. God, I command strength to the legs as well. Strength to this body.
Shock and trauma to go.
Has all the pain gone now?
Yeah.
Let's help her up. In the name of Jesus. Just hold her up, hold her up. God, life to this body right now. Life to his legs. Life, life, strength and life to the nerves and the brain injury right now. Miracle now. Now.
Shock and trauma to go.
Now.
In Jesus' name.
Shock the trauma of this accident right now.
Go. Jesus.
You have a nervous system right now. And so what are you feeling right now as I'm praying? Does it feel strange?
Yeah.
What can you feel?
Oh, the power of Jesus.
Yeah.
Somebody.
Jesus.
And that pain was there since the accident. It's just, now it's just gone.
Yeah.
Take a few steps. More. More. Strengthen. 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 Just hold her up. How's it been since you could do that?
Since April.
So you could not get movement like that since April?
No.
Wow.
Did the doctor say you'd never walk again?
He said I had 10% chance.
Whoa.
A 10%, but now you've got no pain and you're taking steps, you're pulling full weight on you.
Oh, careful, John.
Now,
No more morphine.
Yeah.
life to his legs.
She's standing straighter.
Yep.
Something's happening
Yeah.
here.
She looks stronger.
Excuse me. Let's go for a walk.
Whoa.
Come on, stand up, stand up. Come on, worship God. Now, doctors gave her a 10% chance of ever walking again.
They don't know about the Jesus factor.
But they don't know, and there is someone better than the greatest doctor on this planet. His name is Jesus.
Yeah.
on, he's in this place. Come on, give the Lord a hand, come on. Awesome, Jesus. I tell you, there's power in the blood of Jesus. His life still flows in the sick bodies and broken minds and hearts.
And no more morphine.
Yeah. Wow. 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 Woo! Gentle, John. Amazing.
Take your seat down.